Guys, so in this video I will tell you that how to fix your Tinder account has been banned. So if your Tinder account gets banned, so how you can actually fix it. So first of all, you will open up your browser and then you will type this Tinder customer support, and you will open up this first link. So we will click on this one. This will actually opens up their customer support page, and then and under this help and support section we will tap on this contact us, and from here you can actually submit our request. So we will click on this drop down menu, and you will click this option which is called trouble with account login. And then what's going on, can't log in, my account was banned, so you can choose this one. And then you just have to enter your email address that is linked with your Tinder account, and the phone number that is linked with your Tinder account. And then you have to actually tell them that what's going on, that why you can't be able to log in, or if that is a mistake. So you have to enter the detailed description here, and if you want you can actually add the files with it, like if you you can show them that see, I can't be able to log into my account. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.